안녕하세요. Now that you have learned about Hangul, I believe you are more than excited to start making some sentence in Korean language, right? So before that, there is one thing very important, the very important concept that you must know, which is called 받침, okay? So if you translate it, 받침 actually means support, okay? So what does support here mean? So if you remember from our previous class, we learned that when we try to construct a character, which involves at least a consonant and a vowel, okay, so we have three cases, right, in which we have one consonant and one vowel, and then case number two, one consonant, two consonant and one vowel, and case number three, we can have up to three consonant and one vowel. Let's see some example. Okay, for case one, for example, we can have ka, which means to go, and for case number two, we can have 밤, which means night, and for case number three, 삼, okay, so which means life. Okay, so can you tell me if for case number one, is there any 받침 or not? So here basically the answer is no. And why is that? Because there is no second consonant to support this character. So for this case, it's no 받침. Okay, case number two, 밤. Okay, we have one consonant, two consonant and one vowel. Okay, so is there any 받침? Yes. And why is that? Because we have the second consonant here. Okay, so this is supporting the whole character. So yes, we have 받침. Okay, and how about case number three? And I bet you already know the answer. So the answer is yes also, because why? We have one consonant, two consonant and three consonant with one vowel. So these two consonants are actually supporting this character. Okay, so you may be wondering, why is this 받침 concept that important, right? So you have learned about 이, 가 grammar, right? It's a subject marker, right? So why is there two, right? 이 or 가. So how do you differentiate? So for example, 친구, friend, 친구 가, right? So why is it 가 not 이? Because 구. Okay, for 구, is there any 받침? The answer is no, because there is one consonant, one vowel. So it's no 받침. So we use 가. Okay, another example. 학생, student. So is there any 받침 in this case? Yes, because why? Because we have second consonant here supporting the character. So when we have 받침, we use 이, 학생이, and not 학생가. Okay?